Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to convert MPEG4 to MP3 for free. Well, basically, converting MPEG4 files to MP3 format for free can benefit musicians, content creators, and music enthusiasts who want to enjoy their favorite songs on various devices. So here, I will show you the way on how you can convert MPEG4 to MP3 by using these online tools. First up here is by using convertio.co. So you just need to go on this website, convertio.co. So it's a helpful friend who can do the job for you. It's an online tool that converts MPEG4 to MP3 for free. So just visit their website, then upload your MPEG4 video and let Convertio work magic. So it's easy to use. You don't need to install any software on your computer. Now, the second one right here is by using Mediaio Converter. So you can go to mediaio.net. So it's another friend who can help you with this task. It's an online tool that quickly converts MPEG4 to MP3. So like Convertio, it's easy to use. You don't need to download anything. You upload your MPEG4 video and Mediaio does the rest. Now, the third one here is, well, definitely using Vid.io. So Vid is your reliable companion when it comes to video conversions. This online platform simplifies transforming your MPEG4 videos into MP3 audio, making it accessible to everyone. The best part, you don't need to be tech savvy or install any complex software. So yeah, that's how you basically convert MPEG4 to MP3 audio. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.